Hey there YouTube. Today I'm doing a 2 year later video review on this Home Decoration Collection Pewter LED flush mount light. I believe it may be under the Hampton Bay brand now, with the way Home Depot keeps changing their names. But it's this light that has, well, there's a lot of dirt on here, but it's this part number still. 1003, 326, 371. It says it has a maintenance-free light that shines brighter and lasts up to 45 years. Here's the UPC. And here's some of the other features. This is the 12-inch model. Here's the part information. Here's more model numbers for it. 31419 LED HBU. I kept the box because that's the type of person I am who keeps boxes. And I'm really glad I did, because I bought 2 of these lights, and over the course of 2 years, both failed. They started flickering. One in my office started flickering about a month after I installed it. It wasn't so bad, but it got progressively worse. And then one in my son's room has started flickering so bad it's downright annoying. It's like a strobe light. So I finally got the gumption to go ahead, find this box, and give them a call after I realized that this had a 5-year warranty. Note in this warranty here, it doesn't say anything about having to keep your receipt, but when I called their customer support hotline, they started to say they weren't going to give me any type of refund because I did not have a receipt. This is the number I called there. Without much poking though, after I gave them the item number, they said, oh well, we'll give you a $40 gift card, like instantly. So they know there's a problem with these lights and they really should not be selling them. At the very least, they shouldn't be saying that they have a 45-year bulb. So I'll go ahead and play the excerpts from that telephone call where I called in for warranty replacement.
Thank you for calling Home Decorators Collection customer support. This call may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance. This call may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance. Thank you for choosing the Home Depot. This is your private bread specialist. How can I assist you?
Hi, I bought a couple of the LED flush mount lights and they both started blinking, like flickering. Not at the same time, but like over the course of 2 years or so.
Okay.
So
your flush lights are flickering?
Yep. And I was just wondering if I could get a replacement. Replacements.
Sir, do you have your receipt?
I do not. I have the box.
I could look up your model light and let you know if submit a claim, but they require proof of purchase. So just FYI. What's the model number for the lights?
The model number is 1003, 326, 371.
This is the Home Decorators Collection, Chalene 12-inch.
Yep.
Happen to purchase it online?
I don't think so. I think it was an impulse buy because we were redoing a room and I bought 2 of them so the other room would match.
Okay. Well, without your receipt, they're not going to replace your lights without proof of purchase. But what I'm willing to do is I will give you a gift card for one of the lights.
Oh, okay. I think they were only like $25-30.
It is $35.97 right now. So I'll give you a gift card for $40 But that's the best that I'm able to do.
Oh, that works. I just need to replace them.
Okay. Shall could I have your phone number? Okay, so the gift card has been issued. If you could check the let me know if you received it.
Yep, I got it.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Is there anything else I could assist you with?
No, that was perfect. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Well,
Uh,
thank you for choosing the Home Depot. We appreciate you, and you have a wonderful day.
Thanks, you too. And so, yeah, as you can see, lady on the phone was friendly on all that. I bought 2 units. They only gave me a refund for 1. So eventually I'm just going to call back and do the same thing again to get my other $40 because, I mean, it's not right that they offer a product and then say that, oh, you didn't keep the receipt, you know. But, yeah, if you're at the store and you're looking at this light, it's a very pretty light, but you're going to have problems with the LED, most likely. It's not going to last you 45 years. In an upcoming video, I'll be modifying this light to use 2 Edison E26 bulbs, but that's in the future video once I find the parts. Anyway, thanks for watching.